Hey everybody, John Skiba here. I hope you are all having an awesome 4th of July weekend, big 3-day weekend that we're just wrapping up. I'm recording this on Monday, July 5th. This is kind of a video that's a little bit out of the ordinary in that it's not my typical informational video, but it is, I'm putting it out just so that you can be aware that I have just today released a new online tutorial that I think is going to be very effective in helping you to win your debt collection lawsuit. The new tutorial that I put out is how to win your debt collection lawsuit using written discovery. Written discovery in requesting specific documents is a highly underutilized tool. Many people request documentation, but they do it all wrong. In this video, I show you how you can take a very surgical approach to requesting documents that'll force the debt buyer into a position of whether they disclose documents that they don't want to give you or they dismiss your case. I provide you with 2 different word templates. Now, here's something that I don't usually do, but I am going to bundle this together for 24 hours with my online tutorial on how to compel private arbitration to win your debt collection lawsuit. And I'm going to discount the prices dramatically. I'm only going to do it for 24 hours. I'm going to do it through tomorrow, which will be July 6th. So if you want to check that out, I'll put a link down here. I just wanted to make you aware of this. It's an awesome new course that I know can help you if you're out there battling in the trenches against these debt buyers. Hope you had a great holiday weekend. We'll catch you later on this week.